There are some life skills every teen should have. Learning these practical life skills can also encourage social and emotional learning, also known as SEL. That's the process of understanding and managing yourself, so teens enhance their ability to succeed in school, work, and life. Mastering these and other life skills is exactly what being successful is all about. Admit when you've made a mistake, and take responsibility by apologizing or doing it differently next time. Things won't always go the way you want or expect, but if you can be flexible, you might learn something new. Stand up for yourself. Sometimes that means having the confidence to say no. Learn to identify and manage your emotions. Feelings change throughout the day, but you can choose how you react. Use a planner. Take command of your schedule so you can make time for the things you like doing. All the skills you practice now are helping you reach the goals you set. Some skills are more challenging, but if you make a plan, you'll find that with time and hard work, you can achieve your goals. For more tips, click the link to download this life skills poster to help you identify and learn all sorts of valuable life skills.